Hello friends, welcome back to my life. We have a lot of errands to run, but first breakfast, we're making this bagel, vegetable cream cheese, egg, sausage, and bacon concoction before we leave.
That was a very good breakfast.
Okay, so it's a little while later, and we decided to go ahead and grab lunch at Mr. Submarine and Salads. It's located in Titusville, Florida. One of the best Italian subs you will have in Brevard County, hands down. This was a delicious lunch. We just split an Italian sub, and we each had a bag of Sun Chips.
Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome back to our kitchen, and thanks for spending the Saturday with us. We started off with breakfast, then we ran some errands, and then we decided to go to Mr. Submarine for lunch. In my opinion, they have the best subs in Brevard County. And before we went and ran any of our errands, we went and got library cards. We have been wanting to do this for a very long time, and we decided today was the day. We went into the library, we got our cards. Mr. Lucas walked out with 2 novels. I got a book on photography, and we're excited to have library cards. I know that's very nerdy and we're geeking out in front of you, but that's okay because we have been wanting to do this for a while, and there's a lot of things that your local library can offer to you. And we also seasoned up some meat, some ribs for tomorrow, and they are in the fridge resting. But tonight we're gonna have pork, Texas toast, coleslaw, and macaroni and cheese. And I'm here for all of it. We're acting like Sunny's over here. So I wanted to show you, this is pulled pork from February of this year. So anytime we do a big hunk of meat, it's just the 2 of us here. So what we like to do is that we like to prepare these little baggies, and we just put some meat in it. And then on nights like tonight, like we did a lot of running around today. So it is late. It's almost 7 o'clock. So he's mowing the yard right now. So when he gets done and whenever he's ready to eat, we're gonna heat this up, add some barbecue sauce, put it over Texas toast. And then I ended up getting just coleslaw from the Walmart. And we got a box of mac and cheese that I'm gonna make up. That's our dinner tonight, friends. Hope you enjoy this video. Also stopped by my mom and dad's house. My dad's garden is going crazy, so she supplied us with a bunch of tomatoes. So I got those washed up and ready to go, and I will probably make salsa with it. I just saw what I looked like, and I apologize. Love you, mean it.
Are you having some trouble?
Technical difficulty.
Texas toast with cheese.
I don't remember what it's supposed to be at. So.
Well, just do what you think.
I went with 400.
Sounds good to me. Oh, it was fine. Everything was fine. I fished out the cheese packet. It was great. Okay, so what we did was we put some barbecue sauce over the pork, nuked that in the microwave, and put some macaroni and cheese and coleslaw on the side. Friends, this was such an easy, simple, delicious meal for a Saturday night. Okay, we're going to wrap up this Saturday vlog right here. I really hope you all enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.